This moon, this July full moon, do something about the audio, otherwise you please move in a little closer, please. Otherwise the rest of the world will think, what are the Americans fussing about? Okay. So, this full moon is the super moon of the year. On this day, the moon is a little over 18,000 miles closer to Earth than any of the full moons through the year. So that means moon's gravitational pull is working on you better than ever. Those of you trying to ward it off with umbrellas, doesn't matter, it works through the umbrella, don't worry, I'm just joking. So, what is the significance? That if the moon is closer, what's the big deal? The big deal is today, the tides are going to be bigger than any time ever in this year, in these 12 months. Because the moon is so close, the fluids of this earth will rise. If you do not know, I'm sure you know, oh, somebody got enlightened at the back, okay. See, people came and sat in the front row thinking it'll happen to them, but it happened there. What can I do? You know, those who stand last will stand first, somebody said, okay. But these people are standing last because there is a big tree. About everything that can rise will rise on this night. It's my wish and my blessing, you should not miss it, you must rise. When the ocean is rising, when millions of tons of water is wanting to go upward because of the gravitational pull of the moon, do you believe that the fluids in your body will not rise? When I say fluids, it's not just about blood. Almost everything in this body, the mechanics of this body, the nutrition of this body, the various experiences of this body are controlled by secretions of glands. So when the moon is this close and it's full, all of them rise. If you keep yourself in the right attitude, the right things will rise. On this night, if you're in anger, misery, resentment, that will rise, what can I do? It's not me, it's the moon, you know. But if you remain in meditativeness, joy, peacefulness, love, that will rise. That's why the satsang, so that at least for this couple of hours, you stay well and the right things rise within you. Because this is all life is about. What kind of things arise within you? What kind of things reach the peak within you? Is it going to be your anger, frustration, resentment, or joy, bliss, love? What is going to rise within you? This is all the quality of the human life is decided by. Everything that you are is just this, what is arising within you. So, it's okay, this is what enlightenment means. It always happens with a bang, huh?